Well, this is where I'll be camping out for the night.
I love this camping setup, and hopefully I can catch some steelhead in the morning.
These guys tried breaking into my vehicle while I was asleep in the back. You're out here steelhead fishing. That's a beautiful fish. My buddy's This is a second-year fish. She is gorgeous. Welcome back to another episode of Johnny Truckin' Outdoors. My buddy Cole texted me last minute. It's about 8 o'clock right now. He just texted me and he was like, hey, you want to go out steelhead fishing in the morning? I was like, hell yeah, let's go. So I'm driving about an hour north. I do need to stop and grab a fishing license since all the fishing license expired last night at midnight. I'm going to drive over to Walmart, grab my fishing license. Then I'll be driving about an hour north, camping out for the night, and steelhead fishing in the morning. Stay tuned. Hope you guys enjoy this adventure. Well, I need to buy a fishing license.
Okay, and then
Sweet.
Fishing license.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Well, that sunset is absolutely beautiful. This will actually be the first night with me camping out in the new topper. I'm excited. Well, this is where I'll be camping out for the night.
Well, I'm gonna go ahead and hop in the back of this truck. Well, I'm gonna head off to bed. Try and be a tad quiet since there's cars around here and people are sleeping. So I'm gonna have to shut off this light in a second, but I'll see you guys in the morning. I love this camping setup, and hopefully I can catch some steelhead in the morning. Good night, guys.
Well, some guys just pulled up and now they're heading off. They tried pulling on my door on my truck, which was really weird, but thankfully they left. Well, good morning, everyone. I just woke up here this morning. It's about 6 in the morning. I'm gonna hop up and get some rods set up and get out fishing. Stay tuned. I love this setup here. I'll show you in the daytime, but these windows are a little bit covered in ice. It's cold out. It's probably like 20, 30 degrees out, and with all my condensation, they froze over. But yeah, I like it. I'm gonna hop out and get warm. Yeah, it's like 20 degrees out. I parked right behind this tree right here, so yeah, looks lovely to get out. This is a weird topper. Man, I love it in here. A little tighter than my last topper, but it's good. Yeah, buddy. Well, I'm just now leaving the truck now. Got my fishing rod and everything. Let's go. Well, we're rocking down now. There's a lot of people down there. Yeah, I'm going too deep. for? Fish? Cole's hooked up.
That didn't take long, eh?
Sure did. That was awesome. Very nice.
Thank you, sir.
That's a beautiful fish there. He's ready.
That's cool.
That was awesome.
Thanks.
Congrats on that fish. Well, they got over there in that boat has a fish on. It's awesome.
Hey, you know if the bathroom up there is unlocked?
It's locked.
You're kidding, right?
I tried last night.
I figured you did. That's why I turned and looked at you.
Yeah.
Watch you guys.
It's awesome. Fish? Dude, freaking killing it. Whoa! That is a big fish.
Yeah, that's good.
You're out here steelhead fishing. That's a beautiful fish. My buddy's It's beautiful out here at the river. Yes, that was an awesome steelhead. Good little fight. Oh, is that a double?
Yep.
That is awesome.
He's all colored up.
That
Thanks,
is
Bob.
awesome. He does. This is a second year fish. She is gorgeous. Yeah, I got you. Beautiful double steelhead, dude. He's ready. That was awesome catch there.
Thanks. Whew, it's cold.
Good stuff, dude.
They're running the
I had one hookup this morning. But I thought it was a snag. Or I thought I hit bottom, so I didn't set my hook properly.
I'm sure once I get over, I probably wouldn't even want to eat it.
Well, I'm probably out to hit the road here in a second to get back to the house. So I have some stuff that I need to take care of. But glad Cole was able to catch a couple and I had a hookup, and that was awesome. Hey guys, so I just got back from fishing. My buddy Cole, he hooked up on 2 fish. I had a couple hookups, but I lost both the fish. I don't know if I horsed them in too quick or I didn't get the proper hook set on them. But I want to show you guys my topper here in the daylight. I got all my fishing rods and nets on one side. I just got my pad there and my cot, sling bag, fishing rod right there that I was using this morning. Then I got buddy heater there and a whole bunch of kitchen supplies and bread. I might make a quick peanut butter and jelly sandwich before I hit the road. I love this topper with this big door here. Do need to fix that, but it's awesome. I absolutely love this new topper. And over this last trip, driving about an hour north to this location, my truck was getting about 15 miles to the gallon. And with a massive topper, it was getting about 6 to 12 miles per gallon, 6 city, 12 on a highway. So 15 in the city and country roads, that's pretty good. So I'm a lot happier with that. There are certainly a lot of improvements I want to do on this setup here, but overall, it's awesome. Well, I'm going to fix myself up a quick peanut butter and jelly sandwich before I hit the road south. Have to head back to hang out with family here on Sunday, so I'm trying to hurry so I can get back and enjoy the Sunday with family, but I want to get some good food in me before I hit the road. Man, it was awesome that Cole had those couple fish he landed. That one fish he landed was a double bar, means that steelhead entered in the river twice, which is pretty awesome. He was absolutely beautiful. You guys look at that fish and it's just like beautiful colors. Man, I wish I caught one, but at the same time, that's fishing, and he has the right rod, the right setup, and he's been fishing for them a whole lot longer, and it's showing off that he knows what he's doing. So that should work for a good old sandwich. Yeah, buddy. Looks good. I'm really excited just to build out the inside of this topper here. So a couple things I want to do to this topper is I'm going to hop up in here with a power washer, and I'm going to wash down the inside of this just because it has a whole bunch of dirt in it. I haven't cleaned the inside of the topper yet, and the windows are filthy, so I'm going to clean up the inside completely. And then I'm going to wrap the inside with that reflective foil looking thing that should help with the insulation of this truck, so when I'm camping out in the winter time, it stays a lot warmer in here. And I'm going to fill in all the cracks and everything else. And then I'm planning on wrapping it with carpet on the inside. And then on this wall here, making a mount for all my fishing rods to set up here, so I can break them down in 2 pieces and clip them to this rod here so they're hanging up. I think it would be really cool aesthetically as well. And then, yeah, there's just a bunch of things. I want to put some lights up in here, have it cool so I could have like a stove spot right here where I can cook up some food inside the truck if it's raining out. I really like this topper. That's a good peanut butter and jelly sandwich. Well, I'm going to go ahead and finish up this. But as always, keep on trucking, stay outdoors, stay amazing. I'm gone.